What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and I think they have a decent potential, especially one of them. And before I show the project, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project that has a huge potential, and I wouldn't even flip right away because I think they're actually building something big. So it's called Paraverse Officials. So this is going to be free mint, and it's going to be AR Metaverse Web3 project. So if we scroll down, as you can see, they have Discord, and then if you go to their Discord, you can find a lot of information about this project. And then they also have a light paper. And then if we scroll down, and as you can see, like for example, this was posted on March 10th and it has 8,000 likes and 7,000 retweets. So it's getting crazy interaction. And then they're also collabing with the different alpha groups for whitelist spots, and you can actually enter either in Twitter giveaway, or if you are part of one of the communities that they collabing with, you can probably try to get a whitelist spot from there. And if we scroll down more, as you can see, like for example, this post right here, they're kind of celebrating that they have a 20,000 members in their Discord. So if we scroll up, so let's pull up their light paper really quick. So as you can see, they have find to earn feature, and this kind of reminds me slightly like Pokemon Go. Most likely you're just going to be going around with your mobile device and finding devices or like things in games that you're going to be able to earn actually tokens or something like that. And then if we go up, as you can see right here in their light paper, you can see their tokens, roadmap, team, find to earn, and literally basically everything about this project can be found on this light paper. And then if we go to their website, as you can see, so it's kind of similar like what I was talking about, like Pokemon Go. You're going to be able to actually see some other cool features and things, and this is the way this game is going to play. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, this is a little bit more just like a little teaser about this game, then their vision, and you can enter Paraverse. So I think this project has a huge potential and a bright future, and they're going to be minting sometime in April. I don't think it's too late to get a whitelist spot for this project. Then the second project, it's called Vinland. So this is also free mint, play to earn game. There's not a whole lot of information about this project, but you can go to their Discord and see what they have over there. And at the time of recording this video, they have 9,000 followers. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent engagement on their Twitter post. Art looks pretty cool, and most likely this is going to be like some kind of metaverse game. This is just some of their teasers, looks like, from the game. And it's also getting really good engagement on their Twitter post. And like this one, this is not even for whitelist spot, and it got 1,800 likes and 1,700 retweets. So this is another one. I think it has a really good potential with very interesting strategy, and they only have 4 posts on their Twitter, so I think this project is still in very early stage. And then the last project, it's called Katsuki, and it's a free mint. They have Discord, and at the time of recording this video, they have 17,000 followers, and they only made 7 tweets. But as you can see, their Twitter post is getting decent engagement. And then if we scroll down more, like for example, this one right here, it's not even for free mint or anything like that. It's just like one of the teasers or one of the NFTs that's gonna look like, and it has 2,000 likes and 1,900 retweets. And if we scroll down more, the other posts getting similar engagement as well. So this is the third one that I'm gonna keep my eye on, and I'll try to get a whitelist spot for all 3 projects. And every project that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. Thanks for watching.